Welcome to the Jump 15 channel. Are you ready to learn some new moves? I have 4 footwork skills for you that will spice up your workouts. The running man, the reverse running man, and 2 other footwork patterns that quite frankly, I don't have names for. Let's do this. First up is what we will call the double heel tap. To perform this move, kick your foot out at roughly a 45-degree angle with a slight hop in that direction. Touch the heel to the ground with a slight hop back to the starting position and repeat a second time. After 2 heel touches, perform the same sequence on the other side. This skill will test your balance and rhythm, so take it slow at first. The next one is similar to the first, except after 1 heel touch, you hop to that side with both feet and repeat in the opposite direction. This move is great for songs with a strong beat. Next up is the running man, made famous for me by Will Smith in The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. This one, as far as I'm concerned, you can bust out anytime, anywhere, and it's gonna be a hit. Let's slow this one down so you can see exactly how it works. As you raise your knee, hop the rope. As you lower the knee, hop again, but hop the down leg backwards. You will then raise the leg in the back, repeating the process. It is pretty basic, but you just need to find the right rope tempo to match it with. Once you got it down, you can try adding a little extra style to it. And you have to learn how to walk this one backwards. The most challenging skill here is the reverse running man. It is an unnatural movement that you will have to teach your legs because they are moving forward against the rope rotation. I am still working on this one myself. As the leg that kicks out front comes up and back around behind, it should feel like it is sliding in to take the other foot's place as it kicks out front. Be patient with this one as it's going to take a little practice. Remember, becoming good at jump rope all starts with mastering the basics, and if you need to learn those, check out the Start Here playlist. If you're more advanced, check out my other skill tutorials and workouts to keep growing your abilities. I will see you in the next video.